Last week, I went to a famous tailor shop for getting my clothes altered, and I could see that there was a long queue of people waiting for their chance. And when the people were approaching him, many people came for the complaints that I told you to do the stitching of the hands, but you have done the full length stitching. And few people were complaining that I told you to remove this border, but you have not removed the border. And on the other hand, I also saw few people, they were asking the tailor to deliver their work on the same day by night 10 p.m. or morning 8 a.m. And whenever they were asking for this kind of deadline, the tailor was saying, "Yes, ma'am, it will be done." For each and every request, he was saying the same thing. And I could see that he was not saying no to anything. He was accepting all the work, even if he was not sure whether he would be able to do that work or not. Even then, he was taking that work. Then I decided that I would not be giving my clothes to this person because he is not doing the work perfectly, and on top of that, he is committing the wrong deadlines. I was clearly seeing that he would not be able to deliver the work. In fact, few people were coming for asking whether he has done their work or not, and his response was, "No, but please sit now. I will do it. I will finish it in just 15 minutes or 20 minutes." So now the question is for you. Do you also say yes to everything, anything and everything, whatever comes on your plate in your workplace? If yes, then it's a big alarm. Saying no is not bad. If you are able to set the clear expectation, nothing better than that. If you are not setting the correct expectations and saying yes to everything, then it will happen like this only, what happened with the tailor. He was completely stressed out, he was not able to deliver the work properly, and he was also losing the customers, the existing customers who came to him, he was losing. And in fact, I also saw the same thing and I stepped back. I decided not to give the work to him. The thing is, you should also practice saying no. If you feel that the timeline or the work is beyond your limits, then you should say it clearly but in a proper way. So that's what I wanted to say, and please start practicing saying no, and that will help you a lot. Thank you.